Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am gonna talk about the top 5 freelancing websites where you can earn money in 2020. Watch the video till the end to know about the 5 websites that I am gonna talk about. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about my new videos. Let's get to the video. At number 5, we have Freelancer.com. This is a great website that has been running for many years, where you can do freelance jobs and earn good money. You can do a variety of jobs in this website as shown, and the average payments are also shown. There are over 1,350 categories where you can work in and get paid or buy services from. These are the top job categories. If you are good at any skill, you can easily earn a lot of money in all the freelancing websites that I am gonna show today. If you want to work, click here and sign up. Now, let's browse the jobs posted in this website. You can see the jobs posted in this website here, which means people want their jobs to get done by freelancers like you. You can complete these jobs if you are good at the particular skill. If you can do a particular work, just place a bid here. Now let's move on to number 4 in this list. At number 4, we have Guru.com. This is also a very good website that freelancers are using to make money for years. Here, you can see the top freelance jobs in terms of demand. Guru is better than Freelancer.com because more number of people come to this site to get their jobs done. You can find the jobs posted in this website by clicking here. As you can see, you can get paid hourly or at a fixed price. You can filter the jobs according to payment, location, etc. Jobs can also be searched based on category. If you want to do a job, just sign up in this website. At number 3, we have peopleperhour.com. As the name suggests, you can get paid for your work per hour. This is a popular website used by many people to get their jobs done, as the payments can be done according to the hours of work. Let's see how it works. You can work in this website if you are really good at any skill. You have to complete an online application to join, and your application will be reviewed and approved if it's good. Now, let's see what freelancers are making working in this platform. These are the top certified sellers, and the amount they are making per hour is also shown. The categories you can work in are shown here. We can now search for projects or jobs posted in people per hour. The jobs posted by buyers are shown, and there are a lot of such posts. You can earn money for your hours of work, and there are also projects where you get fixed pay. If you can do a job that you are good at, send a proposal about your service to the buyers. Before that, you need to sign up to the website. You can select work as a freelancer if you can complete a proposed project. In all of the websites that I am showing, you can also use it to get your jobs done by freelancers. The second best website I recommend in this list is Upwork.com. The highest rated editors and writers in Upwork are mentioned here, and you can go through their profiles to see how these people use their profile efficiently. Now, we can see what type of jobs you can do in this platform. As you can see, there are a lot of job categories that you can provide services in. Choose the category that you are good at and search for jobs. In this website too, you may get paid at a fixed price or get paid per hour of work. The pay rate in Upwork is higher than the previously mentioned websites. As in the case of all other freelancing websites, you have to first sign up and create a profile highlighting your service. You can find plenty of opportunities in Upwork, and it's written here that more than 60k works are posted every week in Upwork. The best freelancing website in 2020 is Fiverr.com. This is the most popular website in this list, and you can find millions of job opportunities in Fiverr. If you want to work in Fiverr, click Become a Seller. To become a seller, you have to first create a gig. A gig is basically a service you are providing to the buyers. Once you get an order, you have to deliver quality work, and then you will get paid for the work. If you want more explanations about it, you can always go through the FAQs or else comment down in the comments section of this video. You can also learn courses in Fiverr about various topics. The minimum price for your service should be $5, and it can be up to $10,000. Now let's see the gigs of different sellers in Fiverr. You can sort the gigs by categories, budget, delivery time, etc., so that you can get an idea of what the price and delivery time should be when you create your gig. There are hundreds of categories you can work in. Now let's see a gig of a top-rated seller. There are a lot of reviews about this seller. So your aim should be to deliver quality work on time to get good reviews, which help you get a lot of works. You have to put a good image for your gig so that it can stand out and people can click on it. This is the description about the gig, explaining what all services are included. You should write about yourself as an introduction of who you are. Sellers in Fiverr can sell their services by using 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. You can add features and increase the prices according to packs. FAQs can also be written in your gig so that buyers can clear their doubts about your gig. So these are the top 5 freelancing websites in 2020 in my opinion. Remember, the quality of your works and timely delivery determine the number of works you get on all these websites. So make sure that you deliver quality services on time. If you work efficiently, you can earn thousands of dollars by freelancing in these websites. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to watch more of similar content about making money online, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.